All right, this is a trade idea I sent to my guys today. I'm going to show you how you can take these trades. This is gold futures, MGC. So this achieved a 300 tick target, Asian session. Let me show you how this works and how you can benefit. This is Discord down here, futures. So this was the opportunity I posted in here today. Possible short if it pulls back, right? I was already short, and I mentioned just wait for the pullback. So as it was, that's the pullback. It happened right there. There it pulled back. Have a look at this very simple strategy. Here it is. Asian session, volume profile high, rejects. Look at the signals. This is the breakout of VWAP. Bottom line, you got a signal, and especially after that there, and you've got that. Right, so that's where you get involved. You don't get involved here, obviously not, right? So you're waiting for this. That's the key. You take that trade. I got in early, I'll admit it, but if you're patient and you wait for this opportunity, usually every day, Asian session, you're going to get something. Down it goes. That's 300 ticks right there. Now the exit, that's your exit there, that green or triangle. It's as simple as that. So you can rely on a system like this without my input, insofar as you just wait for the setup, take the signal. This is VA, it's a VWAP cluster breakout. That's quite a good signal. Anyway, you can gain access to this. This is the channel you need if you want to trade futures. This was the idea, waiting for the pullback. Okay, take it, and then now the follow through. There's target reach. Now if we scroll up, you're going to see there's been a few of these, and they're all pretty good, right? So I usually take these in the Asian session, but it doesn't matter where you're from and what session you want to trade. Just follow the scalping tutorial that I'm providing, right? These are all the ideas, guys. Look, that was a sell. There it is here. Okay, I'm short now. There it is. I'm short NAS. So if you're in the Asian session early on, that's late into the New York close, early into the Asian session, take that. Look at the outcome here. Look. So this is my futures channel. Follow the tutorials in here, and then be independent. Wait for the setups and take these trades. You got 7-day free trial to try it. So make some money in the first couple of days and cover the subscription once it kicks in after 7 days. Links on my website, anthonyfx.com. Snap it up, guys. With that, have a great day. See you in the next one.